Hello everyone, welcome to Global Institute of Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can set an IP address on kalilinux machine using command line interface. So before starting with, let's confirm what is our current IP. So we can use the command as IP or ifconfig on Linux machine to confirm what is my IP address. You can see that my current IP address is 192.168.1.200. Now I want to change my IP from this to some other value like 192.168.1.254. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, I'll be running a command that is nmcli connection show. This command will let me know what all connections do I have on my machine, in which I have one connection named as wired connection 1, which is Ethernet type. So what I will be doing is I will be using this name. So let me copy it. And what we can do next is we can run another command that is nmcli connection modify. Then in double quotes, I'll be just pasting this name. Then if you want to set the IP version 4 address, you can specify IPv4.addresses followed by the new IP address that we want to set. So I want to set this IP address here. I'll mention /24, which is the subnet mask. Let me hit enter. Now the next command will be, I'll just remove it from here and I will write gateway, because you know that it's very important for us to set the default gateway. So the default gateway here will be 192.168.1.1. Let's hit enter. The next thing is DNS. So I'll just change the DNS here as 192.168.1.1, or what you can do is you can change your DNS server to 8.8.8.8, which is the global DNS server. And finally, we can make last change as the IPv4 method, which I will be setting to manual. Now, after running all these commands, we have to just enable our interface. So before enabling it, let's disable it using nmcli connection down followed by the name of the interface. It will disable my interface. You can see that the internet connection has gone. And now finally, we can just run it up. We can enable this by running the next command, which is nmcli connection up followed by the name of the connection. Now, after running all these commands, we will be able to see the new IP by running the ifconfig command. And you can see that now we have the next IP as 192.168.1.254. Finally, let's try to ping Google or any other domain name to confirm the connectivity. So for that, we can run the command as ping google.com. And let's hit enter. And you will find that you are able to successfully ping the Google server. So that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed and you learned how you can set an IP address on a Linux machine using command line interface. Thank you and all the very best.